What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So on today's video, we've got episode 2 of our flip or flop series. Episode 2. We're going to be doing some wheels again that I got, that I'm going to be showing you guys that they look terrible, but how easily you can make them look pretty good again. Turn around, make a profit, showing you guys that you can flip anything, whether it's truck parts, wheels, lift kits, etc., anything. Deals are out there, money's to be made. You don't need a regular 9 to 5 to make money. Deals are out there if you just know where to look. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get into this video. All right, guys, so here are the Black Rhino wheels. Here's 3 of them. Yeah, these wheels are in pretty bad condition. They've been sitting outside. 2 out of the 4 have, I thought it was brake dust, but it's actually rust from where it looks like water's been sitting. It's pretty bad. You know, but looks pretty nasty. I mean, who would want to buy these? And then these other 2, I believe these 2 were under a cover, but I mean, still, they look like they can be cleaned up, looking better than what they look like. So I'm going to show you guys. I have the 4th one over here, which I've already been working on. I'm going to show you guys. Here's our other set of wheels from the first episode that we got in the next couple of days. Someone's coming to buy them. We're going to make some money on these easily, but here's the first wheel that I did. I went and I took 120 grit all around the wheel, sanded it. It had the rust all across the front, all across the back. I'll show you the back right now. It had rust all across the back of it. I took 120 grit and I sanded this wheel completely down. Then I took some air out of my compressor, blew all the rust and all the dirt and everything and debris out, and then we ended up taking some acetone, wiping the wheel down, and then we took our paint right here, which I bought some Rust-Oleum's 2-time gloss black. It's got paint and primer in it. And then I've got some clear coat, but we're going to let this wheel sit overnight, let it dry, and then hopefully we get our other 3 prepped and ready. And then within the next day or so, we're going to be clear coating these, and then we're going to be posting them up and seeing if someone will come and get them. So right now what I'm going to do for you guys is I'm going to go ahead and throw a time lapse of me sanding this other wheel and prepping it and getting ready to paint it just like this. But I want to show you guys the entire process I went through, because like I said, these wheels were beat, but this one looks so much better than what it looked like when I started. So I'm going to show you guys that right now. So like you guys saw, that 120 knocked a lot of it off. I even was able to take a flathead screwdriver and knock some of it free, but some of it from the air hose was actually blowing some of it off. So like I said, it wasn't too bad. I got most of it, or where it was really thick, I got it sanded down to where it's smooth now. This wheel is very smooth. So what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and take our towel and some acetone, wipe it down, then we're going to tape it off on the tire. I mean, I don't really care if these tires get painted. I mean, I'm really just selling it for the rims, but I'm not trying to have no paint or nothing looking like I painted the wheels. So we're trying to look clean and slick here. So like I said, we're going to take some acetone, wipe the wheel down, and then we're going to prep it and then paint it. All right, so now what we're gonna do is start taping the wheel up, getting it prepped, and then we're gonna paint it, and then we're gonna let them sit overnight, and then hopefully tomorrow or the next day or so, we're gonna come back and clear coat them, and then we're gonna post them up and see what happens. Alright, so we're losing daylight pretty quick, but I'm going to go ahead and real quick paint the back of this, and then flip it over, paint the front, and then let it dry overnight, and then tomorrow come back and see if we have to do any more coats. So let's go ahead and do that. Alright guys, so it's been a day or two since I showed you the Black Rhino F-150 wheels when we taped them up and we started spraying them after we sanded them. And I'm going to show you how good these wheels came out. And what's funny is you can't even tell that these were rattle can. I used a paint that had primer and paint, but I don't know about you guys, but I don't think I'm going to clear coat these. These look really good, glossy. They literally don't even look like they're rattle can. So I'm going to show you guys right now how they came out, and then we're going to list them up, post them for like 500 bucks. I mean, I got them for free, so even 100 bucks, I mean, it's still profit. So sun. You guys saw what they look like before, but man, I think these wheels look so much better. They look really good from what they were. I'll even show you guys the backs because we painted the backs. The backs aren't nasty rusted like they originally were. I'll show you another back right here. One of the ones that was very rusted. Put in the sunlight. Looks really good. You know, you can't even tell that these wheels, in my opinion, were painted, you know, so can't really tell. But what I'm going to do now is go ahead and list these wheels up for sale. Like I said, I'm going to post them for probably like 500 bucks. We got them for free, and I think I have maybe $30 of supplies in them, so we're going to post them up. They're for an F-150, and we're going to see what somebody offers for them, because either way, like I said, we spent $30, so anything over $30 is profit. So let's go ahead and post them up, and I will see you guys when they sell. All right, guys, so we got the wheels loaded up right here in the Alumaduty, and not with even in, like, I want to say an hour, I had a bunch of people on Facebook Marketplace asking for these, a bunch of people lowballing. I mean, $500 for these wheels. They're Black Rhinos. I mean, they're cast 20 by 10s, but still, I mean, $500 alone is a good deal. So I finally got somebody who wanted to give me what I was actually asking for. So what we're going to do now is meet up with him down the street at my local gas station, and we're going to see if he buys these wheels. So stay tuned for that. you guys can see, we sold the wheels. Guy was really happy with them. He said that they were really clean, and we got paid our $500 that we were asking for. So just like I told you guys in the beginning, you can find things that look like junk, make them look clean again, buy, flip, sell anything. People are willing to buy anything as long as it looks decent. So this is gonna pretty much end the video here for Flip or Flop episode 2. We're gonna have more of these episodes coming. I believe we're almost at 900 subscribers now, so we're on that road to 1,000, very close. So definitely gonna want to stay tuned. I've got a lot more coming for you guys, and I've got a bunch of truck stuff coming here soon. So as always, I will see you guys in the next one.